Hey guys, if you are looking for like a quick little blender to use, whether it's for your protein shakes, just for regular smoothies, or even if you're making some baby food, and you're trying to just blend everything out, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard this before. If you haven't, there's this little magic bullet. So basically it's just like this little quick blender. So I make little protein shakes, mainly smoothies also, and it's super quick. Especially when I make my protein shakes, I just put the powder, I add banana, and then I'll put a little bit of oats and some peanut butter and just a few other things also. And then I throw it in there, some ice, and some almond milk also. And the moment you have this all in, you just screw this little thing at the bottom. So this actually came with like, I believe a few different like little tops. It wasn't just this like single cup. But yeah, so you just screw it at the bottom, plug this thing in, and then literally you just push it down, twist, and then it starts blending. And before you know it, you'll have your little protein shake in like literally probably in either a minute or two. Sometimes you got to shake it up a little bit just to make sure you get everything blended well. But other than that, it blends super well. And it's really quick too. And as far as prices go, these aren't too bad.